Let's talk all about Polygon Matic going absolutely crazy in the last few days with some huge partnerships and some you might not even know about. We need to talk about, is it too late to really get into Polygon Matic, or is this going to be a $100 coin one day? Well, let's get into the video. Be sure to hit the like button if you are bullish on Polygon Matic, and let's dive into it. So Matic price eyes 200% gains on Polygon adoption by Instagram. JP Morgan getting involved. Before we dive into that though, let's take a look at this price action. We've got $1.19 currently on Polygon, up 4.16% in the last 24 hours, outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum with a $10.5 billion market cap, again up 4.39%. Our volume is down just on the 24 hours at $1.6 billion, but a pretty crazy rise. You can see in the last 7 days a gigantic spike as we got that big announcement about Instagram. Now, looking at the slightly more technicals, you can see this huge move now with big blue chips. This is massive institutional money coming in with retail investments selling off. We are seeing a nice little level of consolidation, albeit it does feel like it is a downward trend, only just slightly at the minute. So we could see a buy opportunity depending on what happens with the global market. We can see Ethereum is pulling back, as well as a number of other coins right now are having a slight pullback, but Polygon Matic is still booking the trend overall in the last 24 hours, but definitely worthwhile looking at possible entry points into this. I don't think we're going to see the 70s, 80 cents anymore. I think this is well and truly solidified over $1. Now, what is the big news? Well, you can see here that Matic jumps 20% in a day after Instagram's Polygon NFT minting reveal. Matic is pumping this month in the wake of Reddit's surging Polygon NFTs and Instagram's Polygon integration. In short, Instagram will be using the Polygon network to support its in-app NFT minting, which is absolutely insane. And I've always talked about Polygon Matic on my channel. If you've been watching the channel, been joining the live streams, we were talking about this at 70 cents, telling you to buy in. This is going to be a potential huge play. It says Polygon and Ethereum sidechain. Remember, it's super fast with a layer 2 on there as well. It's seen major price gains for its token Matic after Meta announced Instagram would be using the Polygon network for its upcoming in-app NFT minting features. According to CoinGecko data, Matic is roughly up 20% in the last 24 hours, from approximately 94 cents to $1.13. Now, we already know that it is significantly more than that, and like I said, we were talking about this at 70 cents. Remember, bear markets are where you make these huge gains for these particular coins, particularly blue chips. It said, what's Matic for? Well, Polygon users can pay for many transactions in Ethereum, with Matic is required to pay for gas fees on the network. Gas fees are essentially transaction fees that are paid to the network, similar to gas fees on Gwei on Ethereum. So sometimes NFTs can be bought with Matic as well, allowing traders to avoid the process of bridging or wrapping Ethereum or searching for a crypto exchange that will sell wrapped Ethereum natively on Polygon. We know OpenSeas also supports Polygon Matic. Now, when we talk about partnerships, this is where it starts to get really interesting for Polygon Matic. Polygon's list of high-profile partners is getting longer. Disney, Starbucks, Robinhood are already onboarding the blockchain. Again, if you're watching the channel for a long time, I talk about Polygon being a huge potential project long term. It says notably Meta, the parent company of Instagram, named Polygon as its initial partner for its upcoming non-fungible token tools that allows users to mint, showcase and sell their digital collectibles on and off the social media platform. That is incredibly important to reference, that Instagram will be allowing both the sell and mint and showcase of NFTs. That is a huge step forward. Meanwhile, banking agent JP Morgan using Polygon to conduct its first live trade worth about 71k on a public blockchain, making a concrete step forward integrating cryptocurrencies into trading financial framework. For me, a couple of these points are absolutely huge, and I think we will definitely see Polygon Matic begin to really showcase what it's all about. We know they implemented their layer 2 solution to increase both transactional speed and size, and I think people are getting on board with this, as Ethereum is still a little bit slow on its upgrade into proof of stake. We know that Ethereum's about 12 months away with its sharding to come on board to really accelerate their program. Polygon Matic feels like it is already there. So some huge partnership announcements, and I don't think this is it. I think we're definitely going to see some much more movement in Polygon Matic. I do think the point to reference here is that there is still a significant level of potential with Polygon Matic. You can see here on some of the technicals that there is some really nice patterns forming with this. The big question is, how high realistically are we going to see Polygon Matic go? 2% up on the day. Could we see a huge breakout? Like I said, this is going to be bigger than I think a lot of people reference. We need to stay really close to this because it could be gigantic. But let me know your price predictions in the comments down below, and we'll see where Polygon Matic goes. Who knows what this weekend looks like, but it could be pretty crazy. As ever, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.